Yo, what's up, guys? So another trade of mine that I ended up taking here for Unfi. I'm gonna try to close it at $6 on the nose for a $1,500 profit. I entered it because I noticed this. Okay, I noticed this trend line that's forming at the top here. It hit it, it rejected. So on the way down, right after the rejection, I entered the short position. So I think it might hit it one more time and then come down. I'm not sure if it's going to channel. Okay, it might actually channel just like that. That's why we found the support. So it hit that region. It hits like these regions. See that resistance, this resistance region. So naturally we got a bounce. But it looks like it's at the top of a 5-wave correct move already. Whenever you see a wave like that, count that as 1. That's 2. This is 3. This is 4. And that's 5. So it seems like all 5 waves are entirely done already. 1, 2, 3, perhaps an A, B, C, and then that. Okay, so this looks like it was an expanded flat type of correction. So the Elliott wave structure goes something like this. Okay, just like that. So then you confirm that wave 3 is bigger by just checking very quickly. It does almost a 1618 extension of wave 1 and 2. And then waves 2 or 3 and 4 does a 0618 to 1-to-1 extension. So it nails it pretty hard. So let's see if it actually drops to the downside here. It just needs to break that yellow line, okay? If it breaks that yellow line, we're going to get a pretty big drop. It made a pretty big rally of about 37% here. So we should get at least a 236 fib retracement. We're already at 236. So based on how it's dropping so far, I think we're going to get a much bigger drop than that. Let's see. So we're seeing really big movement right now, okay? Like this is a very volatile coin. It just went up like 1% in 2-3 minutes. So because it's such a volatile coin, I made another short earlier as well. Or sorry, a long, right? I longed to go to the $6 ranges, right? Called that in the group. Went a lot higher than I thought. I thought I was going to go to around 565, but it ended up going much further. So I caught a $700 profit there. I caught another short position when it double topped here. It dropped about 4%. So let's just see if this is going to give us the drop that we're wanting. So this looks like it's the ABC that's formed up here. Now if it drops, it's going to be the time right around now perhaps. The 5-minute chart is bearish. See that? It's coming down. So, but that does look like a bull flag, I have to admit. It really does look like a bull flag. This could have been the... No, this looks like it's on its way down, channeling here. It's probably going to drop it pretty hard soon. It got a pretty big wick rejection. So now I'm tempted to enter a little bit more. I can if I want to. I'm only going to leverage times 5 max. So let's see if I can actually get a better price here. 5.90. I'm going to put 3. Oh, it already went. Too late for me. It already went. So let's see if it's going to close it very soon. $1,200 profit. I'm okay with that. And here we go. Boom. $2,300 of profit. That was a very fast trade, guys. Woo! Well done, group. Nice, nice, nice. So that was a really fast profit. So today I'm up as... So here's the profit that I made on this trade here. Well, not on this trade, but just today in general. On Unfi, I took 3 shorts on it. Or sorry, 1 long, 2 shorts. So 3 trades total for $2,400 of profit. That was a really solid trade. Wow. So easy. Like honestly, all you had to do was first of all identify this pattern, right? Like you need Elliott wave counting, honestly. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C. That you must know. And then you get the 5. I'm getting really good at identifying tops. And then you notice the resistance, 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 resistance. So I shorted it when it hit the 3rd one, going to the downside. And then I told my group this right here, guys. I told my group that right here, right? If it breaks to 6.1, down to 5.8 will probably drop. And it pretty much is going to get to 5.8 in my opinion. It's going to get to the low of near the 382 Fibonacci. And then you combine it with that right here, okay? You combine it with this 382 Fibonacci, and that's support right here. So then once it broke here, you were able to short it if you wanted more confirmation, right? But I don't do that. I'm a little bit more risky, so I'll short it not at the top, but I'll short it somewhere once I get a rejection, and then it starts to go down. Damn, that was a really solid trade. Up $4,100 today. Fuck yeah.